Guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm in my garden, and trust me, I'm just gonna try and pick a few things. It's early in the morning, I'm not at work today. So guys, let's go picking. Here I have some apple cucumber. This is what they look like. So I'm gonna go over and pick one. So that's one. And I'm gonna go over to, well guys, I have some pop chow young ones here coming up, and here I am gonna plant some beetroot in this box. I'm preparing this box for beetroot. So just a look, I have to cover my cabbage. And I'm gonna go over here, and guys, I have a nice big sweet pepper under here. Well, let's go for my garden scissors. I'm coming back with my garden scissors. So here I have some golden solid mix. So I am going to use it in the same box. That's the box across here. So let's go back and pick my pepper. I'm going to weed out some grass today out here. So let's go back and let's pick the sweet pepper. So guys, this is it. Let's move. Hope you can see it. Yep. That's it. And this is, oh, this is a big one. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. And I am gonna pick some rocket so I can use to make salad. So guys, this is the rocket. And guys, I have some lettuce coming up, and I have some other pepper. Look how long these are. I should just take one off. So guys, this is the pepper that I'm gonna be picking. That's the pepper. So let's go in. Hope you guys can see. Yes, I got it. So that's the pepper. That's the pepper, guys. So guys, I'm gonna go over the other side. And I'm gonna pick cucumber. I left my scissors, and I'm gonna be cutting some kale today so I can steam later for vegetable. Oh. So here is the cucumber. That's it. So guys, that's just a part of my garden, and I have some silverbeet which I'm gonna pick. Oh, I saw a nice little bird in the mulberry tree. Guys, of course you know I want to pick some silverbeet, but not from this one. I'm gonna go over to another section And guys, I use this dry grass to put around my plants, so it helps to keep the root cool. So let's go over and cut Silverbeet from this one. So I'll be cutting I just need 3 leaves, guys. And over here we have some purple cabbage that's coming. So guys, this is my Silverbeet. And of course, you know, we still have cabbage over this side. Guys, so far so good. Silverbeets are pretty. It's just like, would taste like callaloo, but it's different, guys. So guys, I am gonna move, just push this box up and I'm gonna use the weed whacker. It's not a petrol one, guys. It's one that I use the battery. It's a Makita. So let me show you. Take my gloves off, because I don't have to use my gloves for the whacker. So these are my garden gloves. So guys, this is the whacker. So this is where we put the battery. So guys, I'm gonna put it on. It's not a big part I'm doing today. It's just to brush away those little small bits. So this is where you press it, just like that. And I'm gonna go over now, guys. Guys, that's it. Just that little part. Cockatoos. Them on the limb. They are the ones that making all them. So guys, there's another little part that I'm gonna just cut away with the weed whacker. So guys, this is where I'm going to cut with the weed whacker. So I'm just going to put this strap over. guys, this is it. I'll finish walking out that section. So it's just a little small cleanup, guys. When Tony gets home, he will do the yard. But as for this little garden, I have to always try and clean that out. So guys, those are the birds you are hearing. They're at the top. Let me see if I can zoom it in a little. You see this little thing? It's charged by the sun and it scares anything like possum away from my cabbage. So it charges in the day and make that sound in the night. I'm gonna have to buy a new bird. This one is all rusty. And that's a magpie. Our bee I put right between my silverbeets, guys. You see, I'm giving my chocho plant some water. And over here, I'll give these some water already. This is my sage. Around this section at the back, I have more cucumber plants on here. And as you can see, that's a big one through, you can see through the mesh. But why I put this mesh here is for it to climb on it. So I'm training it to go up on it. Let me go around and see if I can show you the cucumber that I have around here. So this is it, guys. And I have mulch up this little part to put another plant there. Maybe I'll just plant another pepper tree and put up this side. So we are going to harvest some kales. So guys, I'm going to cut some kale. And we're going to cut them from under the bottom, around the size of it. So you preserve, when you do this, you preserve the plant, so you will get more kale in the middle. It keep coming up. So I'm going to go on the other side and cut a little bit more. I had my kale. So let's go get some peach, guys. Guys, I'm gonna have to cut this net, the mesh, to get some of the peach out. And then I'm gonna use this tie strap to put it back together. So now, woo! They are soft as. Look at the juice coming out of the peach. I'm just crushing one to show you. Wow. I'm just picking the ripe ones. Yes, this one is soft. So guys, we have to put the mesh over it because of the birds and the possum. So this is what I'm just gonna pick that for today. Guys, I just get a phone call from my son, so I'm gonna pick a little bit more. He says if he would meet me tomorrow for some, so I pick a little bit more and I'll put them. This is where I put them on a little. This is an outside table. I think I'm just gonna pick these and give them to him because I have so much on the tree. So it's time now to use the zip. I'm going to use the tie strap, guys, just to put through like this. The birds sound so lovely. They're not gonna go in it, guys. This is tree, even though there's no space for them to go in. There's no space. And I'll just pinch this off right there and leave it. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel for more, guys. And this is all that I get from my garden, guys. See you in the next video. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day, guys. Bye for now.